Today, let's get you introduced to the first ever RYOBI Speed Bench mobile workstation, a two-in-one product specifically designed to transform from cart to workbench and back, allowing you to move, work, and finish your projects from the job site to your driveway and anywhere in between. With a 400-pound capacity in workbench orientation, this speed bench is designed to handle even the most heavy-duty of tasks with dual work heights. A large solid 42-inch by 22-inch work surface allows for four-sided edge clamping from materials such as lumber or plywood. The work surface also features SAE and metric measurements as well as protractor angles for quick measuring and reference. It also has the ability to have a miter saw mounted on top. The speed bench includes two RYOBI Link accessory rails and a double organizer bin that can be mounted on any side of the work surface using the included hardware. This allows you to hang Link organizer bins, Link compatible accessories, or even the 18-volt 1 Plus 1 gallon wet dry vacuum on the side of the work surface to keep within easy reach. When it's time to move the speed bench, simply depress the foot pedal underneath to transform from workbench orientation to cart orientation. The reinforced steel frame and 10-inch all-terrain wheels allow for effortless transportation over a variety of worksite obstacles or up and down stairs, while the 19-inch heavy-duty skid plate provides support for up to 300 pounds of gear, furniture, or other materials. When the job is done and it's time to pack up and head out, the skid plate can be removed tool-free, allowing you to easily stow the speed bench under the tonneau cover of a pickup or in the back of a van. Conveniently store the speed bench in the corner of a garage, shed, or closet with its fold-up design. The all-new Speed Bench mobile workstation is backed by a limited lifetime warranty and will be available starting in spring 2024 for $199 exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.